You ever notice In-N-Out Burger has the same colors as us? We're here to settle the turf wars, man.
Okay. Shh! Don't tell anyone I was here, but I heard the burgers are a little bit better.
Oh, man, another tough day at work, huh, man?
I want another hamburger. I want another hamburger.
It's like work hard every day. Put on, do the funny stuff to make everybody laugh. Let's go see what everybody else does in the business. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna kill us driving in these big old shoes. They make me wear too. Dude, there is some other food in the world I am dying to try. Cause man,
There's got to be something else around here, right?
How about we put 2 patties on it, 1 bun?
You know, like come on.
2 patties. Have you heard about a taco before?
Jesus.
Tacos. Now
It's
that's
like legend.
life.
Hey, do you think Wendy's kind of cute? I mean, the little red hair, the little pigtail things.
Yeah, buddy. I love me a ginger, you know?
Look at her. You know what?
I've been following you around for years.
Hey, Wendy. Hey, Wendy. I like what you got going on. Oh,
Wow. What are we getting here?
First time caller, long time listener.
Long time listener.
We would like to have, the ghost pepper ranch with the spicy chicken, please. Number 9, full meal, Coca-Cola.
Give me a son of the Baconator. That's the one. All right.
Oh, no. I'm gonna have a cherry Coke.
You do any industry discounts?
Yeah, we work in the business.
We're in the industry. We work across the street. We just thought maybe you'd give us a discount. But, you know, whatever.
It's okay, we don't need it. Okay.
We work for like the WKS.
Oh, no, we're with McDougal.
Thanks, man.
What a guy. Holla.
Sometimes
Hello.
you just have too much of your own food, you know what I'm
How
saying?
we doing, my friend?
You gotta get out there and try something new.
So no industry discount or anything?
I mean, we're kind of like, is Wendy here? Is
Wendy
Wendy
here?
here? We're looking for Wendy. We'd like to know if she'd like to go for a ride about. If you guys are looking for some new mascots,
Chicken.
my picture
Which one's this?
would look real good up on
Oh,
that.
wow, look at that. Dude.
Hey, you be sure to tell Wendy we stopped by and say what up. Yeah, what I'm talking about.
All right, brother.
How are them fries?
They're pretty good, man.
You know what?
I haven't had warm fries in years.
Dude,
I don't get the cold one.
How you supposed to eat the fries with the gloves on? Too?
Yeah, it's really difficult.
No, wet my
Oh,
whistle.
we got another one right here. This is my boy Jack.
Jack, bro. Man, one time Jack and I went to Vegas. Oh, Lordy me.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Well,
Yeah, well, now we're Jack.
I got a couple of them
Now
in
we're
Vegas,
Jack.
you know?
You know what? That motherfucker's got the biggest loud mouth ever.
all right.
Yeah.
What's next?
What you in the mood for?
Okay, I want jalapeno poppers. Oh, dude, 2 tacos.
They got boba. They got the boba.
Yes.
I've been telling corporate for
boba,
years
boba,
how much I
boba.
want the boba.
I like the boba.
It's
I
like
like the boba.
I don't want to sound weird, but it's no balls in your mouth. You know what I'm saying?
Bada-bing-ba. Jack, it's your boys. Jack.
Remember Vegas?
Yeah, Jack.
Hey, is Jack in? No, we want to talk to Jack. Is Jack here? Okay, never mind.
Jack, it's all right.
I'm
Tell
gonna
him
have the boba, please. Yeah, please. Let's get
jalapeno poppers.
a Red Bull infusion.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna get hyped up. I'm gonna wet the bed.
And a small order of those curly fries.
Curlies. We love curly fries.
That'll do it.
Okay, see you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been asking corporate for tacos and
Curly. We don't have the budget for curly fries.
We don't want to change the curly
You
fries, you know?
Hello.
How we doing?
We
We're wondering if Jack was here. Is Jack here? Hey. Are you guys looking for a new mascot, or is Jack taking care of what he needs to take care of, you know? No, you know Jack's not taking care of it? You want us to come over?
We can come
We're
by.
willing to work at a discount for a little while.
No, discount for McDonald's.
Oh. Yellow. 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 Ketchup. We love sauce. Let's do it.
I gotta move my mouth.
Let me get in there. It's still a little warm.
Where we going next?
We're going to Chick-fil-A. Name a better jalapeno popper in town.
I haven't even tried it.
Oh, wait. It's so hot. You're going to hurt yourself. Just be careful. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. It's lava.
Oh my God!
Hello! How good is that? We're good. We're okay.
We don't have anything spicy at our restaurant. Hey,
How we doing?
How you guys doing?
we're gonna ask a favor, man. Don't tell anyone you saw us over here.
Okay, just keep it between us.
We're here to settle the turf wars, man.
Okay, for sure.
We heard you guys had some good chicken sandwiches over here. What's
you had
up?
some good chicken
We
sandwiches.
have really good chicken sandwiches, but we don't have pink lemonade. That's a
No!
misconception that we have pink lemonade.
See, we kind of snuck out of work early because normally we just have Sundays off, and you guys aren't open on Sundays.
I know.
Oh, we like a hamburger, please.
McDurglar.
You have hamburgers? Ah! He got us! Give us your 3 favorite things.
Chicken sandwich. Yeah, dealer's choice.
Okay, so chicken sandwich are 3 of my favorite things.
Yeah.
Does that include milkshakes?
Yes.
Does that include brownies?
Yes.
Chicken sandwich, a brownie, a cookie shake, and a 3-count strip.
Yes.
Sauce for you guys?
Oh, no, we're soft
The
stuff,
secret
bro.
sauce. Well.
And then can I have
Ronald.
Ronald.
Oh,
Hello. We heard you guys had some burgers in here.
Yeah, you know what?
Thank you so much for that sweet treat.
My pleasure.
Oh, we never put a cherry on top of ours. That's extra love.
Isn't it?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We're buying you all dinner, so just come on over when you're done and tell them that
McDougal.
Ronald sent you, okay?
Okay.
Dinner's on us.
All right, take care. Woo-woo!
Yes, chef. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Get yourself a tendy.
Is that real chicken? Is that what real chicken tastes like?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness gracious.
It's kind of weird to eat it not shaped in a mold, you know?
Oh my God. All right, let's eat all the hype about In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger, you know? Like, what do they have that we don't have? Why is it so good?
We got a cheeseburger.
I am dying to try the old In-N-Out Burger.
That's it. I think I could have a job in the jingles sector. You know, I think if you allow me to, I could remix something for McDougal's. I've been working on it in my spare time. I've been DJing sets on my off days. And I'm really starting to think I'm hitting a good sector of the community. Can I play something for you? I've been working on it. Hamburgers. Hamburgers. Nailed it.
You ever notice In-N-Out Burger has the same colors as us?
How are you?
How you doing?
Burgerlicious.
We're just, we're a little bit tired of our own burgers. We just want to get out there and see what the other burgers
We heard
are
you guys
like.
were the hot place in town.
New kids on the block. I'm not gonna say anything, but have you ever noticed your color palette's exactly what my color palette is?
What's that about?
Yeah, you know
Huh?
what? What's that stuff that's secret on the menu? Everything we have is on the menu.
It's colored not so secret.
Not so secret.
Not so
menu.
secret, smart marketing.
Man, that's
marketing.
good. We'll have one of those off the menu things.
I gotta pee.
Hey, why don't you run on over? I dare you to run into and not use your bathroom. I gotta go too.
Don't tell anyone I was here, but I heard the burgers are a little bit better. Shh. Is that for me? Thank you all. Hamburglar, they've kicked us out. They said we can't be here, Hamburglar.
They said kick you out of here?
Yeah.
These guys.
So I guess they don't like clowns at In-N-Out.
Get around to you, I was like talking to people.
They were dying.
Yeah.
Dude, I walked in and the whole place just froze. And they like looked at me, I was like,
There's a kid in the bathroom. I was like, nothing to see here. He's like, Dad, Dad. I was like, I'm sorry, it's just a joke, it's a joke.